In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product tags in WooCommerce quickly and easily. If you're managing an online store, using product tags effectively can really help organize your site and make it easier for customers to discover the products they're looking for. Let's dive in and break it down step by step. First things first, we need to head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all things related to your website. Once you're logged in, look to your left-hand menu and click on Products. This will guide you to the section where all your product information is organized. Next, as we're focusing specifically on tags, you'll need to select Tags under the Products menu. This is where you'll be able to create and manage all the tags for your products. Think of tags as keywords that can enhance searchability and categorization on your site. Now here's where the action happens. To add a new product tag, move your cursor to the Name field and type in the name of the tag you want to create. This name should be short, clear, and indicative of the product category or characteristic you're tagging. For instance, if you're tagging products related to summer, you might simply use summer as the tag name. Once you've inputted a name, it's time to consider the slug. The slug is essentially a URL-friendly version of the tag name. It's typically all lowercase and contains only letters, numbers, and hyphens. So if your tag name is summer, the slug would likely be summer. This little but crucial step helps with SEO as it makes your tags easier to read by search engines. After setting up the slug, you have the option to add a description for your tag. Although not mandatory, this is a good practice, especially if you have team members or co-managers who need a brief about what each tag covers. The description can help clarify the purpose or inclusion criteria for that tag, ensuring consistency in its application. Finally, the last step is straightforward. Simply click on the Add New Tag button. Voila! Your new product tag is now live and ready to be assigned to products. This process can be repeated, allowing you to organize and enhance your product catalog comprehensively. And there you have it, a speedy yet efficient way to add product tags in WooCommerce. By using tags, you enhance the shopping experience and streamline your site management. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helped you freshen up your WooCommerce site. Don't forget to subscribe to keep receiving tips and enhance your online presence.